Did you know that no pressure, soft roof cleaning is recommended by shingle manufacturers for Ohio homeowners and businesses? At Mid-Ohio Remediation, we provide both commercial and residential no-pressure, soft roof cleaning to remove black streaks, lichens, moss, and algae. It is gentle and safe. No pressure washing is used. One benefit is that ugly stains are removed. Your roof will look like new again. You'll also have a longer roof life. Algae and other spores eventually damage shingles, shortening the life of your roof. You'll find it to be a fast and dramatic image improvement. An ugly roof will make even a beautifully painted and landscaped home look shabby. And it will add curb appeal to buyers. An attractive, well-maintained roof will add value to your home when selling. Call us anytime at 877-377-1274. Thank you.